What's the meaning of afternoons? Afternoons. 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 Afternoons refer to the time period between noon and evening, typically from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. During this time, the sun is still shining, but it is not as bright as it is during the morning hours. Many people use this time to take a break from work or school and relax or engage in leisure activities. Afternoons can also be a time for socializing with friends or family or pursuing hobbies such as reading, gardening, or sports. Overall, afternoons are a crucial part of our daily routine and provide a balance between work and play.